Good morning, students. Today in this online video we are going to discuss about computer network and its type. So as we have already discussed what is computer network, so let's once again revise it. What is a computer network? A computer network is a group of computers linked to each other that enables the computer to communicate with another. Yes, why do we connect the computers with each other? We connect the computers with each other only for sharing. What do we share? We share resources, we share the information, we share the hardware, and also we share the software. So computer networking, it is just only the interconnected computing devices for sharing different things on the device. So types of the network, we have four types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Personal Area Network, PAN. It is a network when we connect the devices we are having at our homes. For example, you are having your computer, your laptop, your mobile phone, and you are connected them at your home inside the range of 10 meters. Then it is called the personal area network. In this network, we connect the devices for sharing information, data, or sometimes hardware also. That means if you are having a printer at your home, you can connect all the devices with that printer and you can take the printouts. So when we connect the devices for our personal use, it is called personal area network. The second network we are going to discuss is LAN. Before this, we were talking about the PAN, which is inside our home, inside our room, within the range of 10 meters. Now we are talking about a little bit bigger. We are talking about a campus, a school building. If we connect the devices within a campus, then it is referred to the local area network. It is a small area such as office building. If two or more devices personally we can connect it with the twisted pair cables, we can connect it with the coaxial cable, or we can also connect them wirelessly. For example, in our school, we are having a computer lab, our principal's office, our headmistress office, bio lab, chemistry lab, physics lab. So many different labs are there, and so many computer devices are there. So for connecting those devices, what we will use? We will use LAN, local area network. Now we are moving out of the campus. We are moving toward the city, toward the different branches of any offices. For example, we are having two branches of BBPS in Nishatpura and one is in Nilbar. If we want to connect the devices of Nishatpura to the Nilbar, then we will use, no, we cannot use PAN, we cannot use LAN. For that purpose, we will use MAN. What is MAN? MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. So metropolitan area network is covers more. It covers a larger graphic area than LAN. Yes. It is used in many government agencies where MAN is used for connecting the devices. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange. That's why we can connect small LANs to form a MAN. So, my dear students, we have connected the devices in our home, we have connected the devices in school campus, we have connected the devices different branches of schools. Now we are going to connect the device from one country to another country, from one continent to another continent. A person sitting in a New York who is your friend, you can send the message from India and he is receiving and he is replying. So, how is it happening? So, what is the reason behind this? Which network is responsible for this communication. So, my dear friend, this communication is possible with the help of wide area network, which is WAN. So, wide area network is a network that extends over a large geographical area, such as cities or countries or continents. So, students, how do we connect these devices? A wide area network, it spans over a large geographical area and it uses telephone lines, fiber optic cables, and also satellite links. So here you can see it is an example, a diagram of WAN, wide area network, where different LANs, LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3 are connected with MAN and creating a WAN. Here you can see some other examples of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. CAN and home network, it is an example of PAN, personal area network. So students, have a look on these diagrams. So students, this is all about the network and its types. Here you can see, let's have a revise. The right networking solution can help your business grow and evolve. Not only does it allow staff to share information effortlessly, increasing productivity and efficiency. Other benefits, it includes cost effectiveness, storage efficiency, flexibility, and data security. So these are some examples, or we can say these are some advantages of the network that we use, devices we connect, and we share our things on internet or our network. So thank you students. I am sharing you the question and answers of the chapter, as most of the part of the chapter we have already completed in our class. So complete the notebook work. I am sharing you the question and answers of chapter 5. So we have already done chapter 1, 2 and 3, and now complete your notebook and submit it by tomorrow without any fail.